So hi and welcome to the bonus video. Now I hope that you found that 5-part video series useful. I'm going to go over a really quick recap with you on the first 5 videos, and then we're going to jump into the bonus material. But before we get to that, I just want to make some suggestions for you. If you're not in the Facebook group, please go and join that group. Any future information that I share, I'm going to post it just in that group. So you'll want to get notified through future tutorials or information. So certainly go and be a part of that group. Secondly, if I post any new videos and tutorials and lessons or any other information about affiliate marketing, I'm going to do that on the YouTube channel. So please go and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And then finally, just make sure that you are on the email list. So I'm going to email you from tyler@affiliatemarketingthatworks.com. So you're going to want to make sure that those emails don't end up in your spam folder. So add me as a contact because I will be sending some exclusive information only through email. So you really got to get on the email list. Okay, so let's do a really quick recap of those first 5 videos. So in video 1, we spoke about what affiliate marketing is. So if you recall, as an affiliate, you're sort of the middleman between a potential customer and a store or a vendor or someone who sells a product that they're looking for. Now, if you are shown to be the referrer, then you will earn a commission, and that's all tracked through the affiliate marketing programs and networks that you're associated with. So in order to make recommendations, you need some sort of platform online, and I recommended that beginners start with a website. It's the platform that I started with and that I really continue to use. Now, there are other ways that you can be successful with affiliate marketing. So you can buy ads on Facebook or Google or YouTube, or you can make videos on YouTube as well, or you can do affiliate marketing through other social accounts. But for people like you and me and beginners just starting out, you probably don't have a budget to buy ads on Facebook, and you don't want to be a YouTuber. You might not want to make videos and post your face all over YouTube. And if you checked your Instagram account, you probably don't have thousands or millions of followers that you can make recommendations to and earn commissions. So in my opinion, the best platform to start with is a website. It's really the foundation for so many businesses. And then depending on your business, the topic you choose, you might want to venture into videos or other social media platforms. But just to get started, I would recommend that you build a website. So we spoke about how easy it is to set a website up. Now, there are several types of websites. So, what kind of website will you be building? And that would be a themed-based content website. So a website about a topic that covers it really, really well. So when people find your website, you're seen as an authority. So you create this persona, this friendly expert. That persona can be you, or you can make that persona up. But when people find your website, you are seen as an authority. And when you make these recommendations, people will trust them. Now, remember, people use the internet every day, millions and millions of them. They're searching for solutions to their problems. And these problems vary across all different topics and niches. So if you build a site that produces really good information, it solves people's problems, and you sort of gently recommend that they go buy, product XYZ here, they're going to do that, and you're going to earn commission. So basically in video 4, we spoke about, what's your topic going to be? And there's always two thought ideas with choosing a topic for affiliate marketing. There's the thought of, just go with your passion. And there's the thought of, make it all about business and numbers and profit. So as a beginner, I do recommend that you at least have some sort of interest in your topic. If you can choose a topic that you're passionate about and is, not super competitive and has the potential to earn profits and make money, then that's really ideal, because as a beginner, you're going to need to learn a little bit as you grow your business. So if it's about a topic that's super boring, you might not stick with it. Now, you're going to find people that say, don't build your first business about something you're passionate about. You need something that is, profit worthy. But that's true. But at the same time, there's so many options, there's so many niches and topics out there. You can find one that you are somewhat interested in that is going to be great for your first affiliate marketing business that still has, the ability to make you money through profits and whatnot. So that would be my recommendation. Stick with something that you are passionate about, that you're interested in, or that you have some knowledge in. Maybe it's something related to what you currently do. And that way you stick with it, you know the topic, and you can still earn good profits from it. But just know that, in the future, you can venture into all sorts of other topics that might, show that they can be a bit more profitable. And then lastly, in video 5, we spoke about sort of how to connect your website, your recommendations up with vendors. So you do that through affiliate marketing programs and networks. So they do all the tracking for you, but they'll give you the links and the proper codes that you need to put on your website. So when someone does click that link and they go and they make a purchase, all the commissions will be tracked into your account and you'll get money in your bank. So that's the way the getting paid sort of section works. In video 5, we spoke about those networks there. So now we're gonna get into the bonus material for this specific video. Okay, so for the bonus material, I wanna talk about how to make big profits with affiliate marketing. And again, it's what most marketers don't really talk about. They might not know about it, or I can see how for beginners, maybe this information is not totally needed. But when I discovered it, it was sort of a light bulb that went off in my head. It was sort of like an aha moment. And I was thinking, why didn't anyone talk about this when I was trying to learn affiliate marketing? So I want to share it with you, sort of be transparent and honest as well. Now, with you sitting there, I don't know what your affiliate marketing goals are. You might just want to make, $1,000 extra a month through your affiliate marketing business, or, you might want to grow your business to where you're making $10,000 a month. And then when you can grow more than that and you can, really do affiliate marketing full time like me. But when you sort of push your income levels beyond that, it does require what's called scaling and outsourcing. So if you want to really grow your affiliate marketing business to where you're doing, just for an example, like $30,000 a month or $50,000 a month or even $100,000 a month, you're most likely going to get there after you scale and outsource. So sometimes you don't need to do this. Sometimes, you can make one website and it can take off and you can make, $50, $60, $100,000 a month. But through my experience and through speaking with several other affiliate marketers, there's going to come a time when if you want to make even more profits, you're going to have to sort of scale. And that means, build a second website or multiple websites. And it's going to mean that you need to outsource. So you don't have enough time in the day to work on 5 different websites. You might need to outsource someone to, do some of the formatting or write some of the articles. So this idea of scaling your business, growing it through outsourcing is what really separates, people who are making pretty good money with affiliate marketing into those who are making, a lot of money. We're talking over 30, 40, 50, up to $100,000 and above every single month. So this concept of scaling and growing, it's something that, I discovered through talking with people. But as a beginner, you might not even, know or come to think of it. And again, you might not need to know, but I just wanted to share it with you that, to really grow, you need to scale. So the urgency here is not that you need to go and start 5 websites right now. Please don't do that. You don't want to have too many tasks going on. They're all going to fail if you start down that road. But there is an urgency in that if you do want to succeed with affiliate marketing, that you need to take action. You got to get started. And then if your goals, do grow through some sort of income bracket, then just know you can get there, but you will sort of need to probably scale and outsource. So in the beginning, you don't need to worry about that, but there is an urgency in, again, just taking action, getting started. If you want to grow and do extremely well with affiliate marketing, you're going to need to sort of learn, build your first website, and you might need to build and scale up your business into bigger levels. So the urgency here, again, don't go out and build several websites and register several topics all at once. That is a recipe for disaster, but there is an urgency to get started. Start learning it, start your first business. Now, I understand that, that 5-part video series, we don't cover every single step along the way, and I can't really do that in 5 videos. So what I'm actually working on, I've been working on for several weeks now. It's going to take me several months, but I'm going to basically release a full affiliate marketing that works course. So at the time of recording this, I still have some work to do. I've been working on it for months, but I'm getting ready to release a full course. And what this means for you is that I'm going to need a few people to sort of test the course out. So it's kind of like a beta tester to go through the course and try it out. And these people will get access to the course for free before I release the full course to the public. So if you're interested in getting in that draw, it's going to be a random draw. I'm going to pick a few people to come and look at the program and test it out and get free access. Now, if you are interested in that, I'm going to choose 3 people at random, but you need to be in the Facebook group, you need to be a subscriber on YouTube, and you need to be on the email list. So you can find all the buttons and the links to join the Facebook group, subscribe on YouTube, and make sure that you're on the email list directly below this video. And then once I'm done the full course, which is really going to take this 5-part series to the next level, we're going to talk about everything step by step. I will let the 3 people or the 5 people who I have randomly chosen to be the beta testers, I'll let you know through email and you'll get access. But you got to be in the Facebook group, join, subscribe on YouTube, and be on the email list for that. So I'm hoping I'm going to get that done soon. In the meantime, certainly, we can have a discussion on Facebook if you need some help moving forward, but keep an eye on your email, and when I'm ready to release the course, I will sort of let you know. Again, thanks so much for watching. I hope that you found this useful. If you have any questions or extra information, feel free to make a discussion happen over in Facebook. And I'm wishing you success in your affiliate marketing journey. Thanks a lot.